10 Steps to Convert TSP to Gold IRA Without Penalty. 1. Understand TSP and Gold IRA. TSP is for federal employees' retirement, similar to a 401k. Gold IRA lets you hold physical gold in a retirement portfolio. 2. Check eligibility. You can roll over TSP to an IRA if you're over 59 and a half, separated from service, or in financial hardship. Verify with TSP administrators. 3. Choose a custodian. Pick an IRS-approved custodian with good reputation, clear fees, and good service. 4. Open Gold IRA account. Complete paperwork with the custodian and transfer funds. This account holds your gold investments. 5. Start TSP rollover. Use TSP 70 for full withdrawal or TSP 77 for partial. Fill accurately to avoid delays. 6. Direct rollover. Transfer funds directly to avoid penalties or tax withholding. 7. Fund your Gold IRA. Once transferred, buy IRS-approved gold like Gold Eagles or Gold Maple Leafs. 8. Storage requirements. Gold must be stored in an IRS-approved depository. Custodian will arrange this. 9. Monitor your investment. Keep track of gold prices and IRA performance. 10. Seek professional advice. Consult a retirement and precious metals advisor for tax implications and strategy. Converting TSP to Gold IRA can diversify and grow your retirement portfolio if done correctly. Follow these steps for a smooth transition without penalties. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.